Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Libra air sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Libra, your messages. First, Six of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. I think there is separation for some between both of you. You are moving away from your person. Six of Swords, or your person may be moving away from you. I think you are decided to work on yourself, you work on your career. Eight of Pentacles, or your person could be decided to work on their work or financial and career. For some, one person want to resolve, for some only there is separation between both of you, but one person want to work on this relationship. This could be long distance relationship, and some communication. They want to fix the things between both of them, and that person want to work on this relationship. It is very slow energy, but still that person want to work on this relationship. Energy could be vice versa. Let's see some more. Yeah, Four of Swords, Libra, what? The World, Ace of Wands. One person in this connection is not speaking with the other person. There is no communication because right now this person is taking rest. Four of Swords. They are taking their time. They are thinking about the other person but not talking, but not taking any action. Some cycles are going to be end. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, different countries, different states. Definitely this could be long distance relationship. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. Ace of Wands, but one person want new beginning. But for some, you already started new beginning in your life. I think in your career, whatever, some new beginnings. With Eight of Pentacles, working on your financials and career. For some, your person want to work on this relationship. Energy could be vice versa. Let's see some more. Page of Wands, yes, communication. Death. Scorpio, you or your person could be. Two of Pentacles, yes. One person, right, still they are juggling between things. It could be you or your person, Libra. But one person in this connection undergo some transformation, death, and Page of Wands. Communication. Definitely there will be some communication between both of you. I think one person may be initiating contact with the other person. Let's see some more, then we will get clarity. Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Yes, one person may be spying on the other person on social media and they want to work on this. I think it's your person. I think it's you not talking to your person. Energy could be vice versa. If it is you not talking to your person, definitely your person now want to work on this relationship. They want to collaborate with you and they want to work on this relationship and they want to offer this stability. King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles means long-term commitment and stability they want to offer. And definitely they want, I think it's your person initiating contact. You will receive some contact from your person and Libra. They are undergoing some transformation. I think the juggling person is your person. Once they made decision, definitely I think they choose you. That's why they want to work on this relationship. Let's see your person current feelings right now. Then we will get clarity more. Past lives. The Moon. Healing. King of Cups. Exhaustion, 9 of Wands. Let's see their actions also, then I will clarify their actions towards you. Harmony, creativity, Empress, beyond illusion, justice. I think your person wants to offer their cup of love to you. They're thinking healing means King of Cups, but there are some issues. Definitely your person thinking about something because the moon. Your person could be Pisces. Here the moon, past lives. Definitely there are some disturbances between both of you. Exhaustion means 9 of Wands. I think in past your person may be guarded up. Justice, beyond illusion means judgment, and creativity and harmony. Yes, 10 of Cups, they want this happiness with you. And Empress. Emperor and Emperor means Empress and Emperor, very honest, and they want to offer stability and commitment. Yes, they made a decision beyond illusion, judgment. Definitely they want second chance with you. Libra, because exhaustion means, I think if you are not accepting their feeling, definitely they are feeling very exhausted. I think in the separation they are feeling like this, exhausted, because you are not talking to your person. You are in 4 of Swords. Energy could be vice versa. Please take what resonates, leave it what not resonates to you. Definitely they want reconciliation with you, and they want harmony with you, and they want harmony in this relationship. Yes, they creativity, they are in this energy, Empress. Yes, they made decision, their juggling is ended. Definitely they choose you. They already choose you, and that's why they want to work on this relationship. And a King of Cups with a King of Pentacles, definitely they are emotionally, they want to give support emotionally and financially also, because emotional attachment is very important. So let's pull some cards regarding the connection, where it is headed. 3 of Wands, the Devil, 7 of Pentacles, the Sun. For some there is third party situation, children's involved. For some, only very few. Definitely waiting. 7 of Pentacles with 3 of Wands, definitely waiting. Your person is waiting for you. I think the one person who invests a lot in this connection, it could be you, Libra. That's why you are not talking to your person, because you're fed up with your person energy, because the Devil with the Devil, definitely your person may be obsessed with you. They are waiting for you, definitely Libra, because they want this happiness with you. They want reconciliation with you. They made decision, definitely they want harmony in this connection, and they want to offer King of Pentacles and King of Cups, their cup of love to you. Definitely you will receive some communication. Your person may be spying on you on social media, and your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. All energies are here, but here lot of earth energy. Lot of earth energy is here. So let's see your energy, Libra, overall energy. 9 of Swords. Yeah, you are thinking a lot. 4 of Swords. Definitely you are in anxiety and depression. Please don't do this. Definitely your person, you will get communication from your person, and if your person offer is looking good, then accept your person offer, because right now you are in this mode. Let's see your person overall energy. Traveling, 8 of Wands. Yes, communication. They want to communicate you. Definitely you will receive communication from your person, and because you are, if you are in 4 of Swords person, definitely you are in some anxiety. You are not willing to talk anyone, because you are in this energy, Libra. But your person want you back, and they want to offer what you want. But the Devil is here. Your person could be Capricorn also, so be careful before accepting any offer, depending upon your situation, because this is general reading. So definitely, I think Scorpio card is here. Your person undergo some transformation. After the transformation, they realize your worth. I'm getting. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Please click the bell icon. Then you will get all my notifications. Bye.